Tired of seeing those incredible Temu deals but dreading the endless friend invites? First, let's clarify. Some items genuinely require inviting friends. The key is to skillfully navigate around those. Ignore anything that explicitly says invite friends. Instead, focus on the main Temu homepage and categories. These items are typically available for direct purchase without any referral requirements. Scroll down and browse categories like you normally would on any online store. Use the search bar. Searching directly for what you want will help you avoid those promotional friend invite items that are strategically placed on the homepage. Be specific with your search terms for better results. Filter, filter, filter. Temu has a robust filtering system. Use it to narrow down your search by price, sales, ratings, and more. This will help you find deals that are easily accessible. Look for promo codes. Temu constantly offers discounts. Many are automatically applied, or you can find them on coupon websites. This lowers the price significantly without needing invites. Check out the dedicated deals section. Temu often has flash sales and limited offers available to everyone without needing to recruit your entire contact list. These sections are usually named deals, sales, or something similar. Lastly, when exploring free gifts, read the fine print carefully. Some offer free items in exchange for points earned through daily activities or other in-app actions, meaning no friend invites required. Focus on those options.